This is the V to I converter, that is the voltage to current converter. This circuit is instrumentation for the analog representation of a certain physical quantities. DC current is preferred. This is because the DC current signal will be constant throughout the circuit in the series from the source to the load. The current sensing instrumentation also have the advantages of the less noise or the low noise. So sometimes it is essential to create the current which is corresponding proportional to the defined voltage. For this purpose, voltage to current converter are used to the it can be simply changed for the carrier of the electric data from the voltage to current. When we refer the about connection between the voltage and current, it is obviously mentioned the Ohm's law, that is equal to V is equal to I into R. We always known as the we supply voltage as input to circuit which comprise the resistor, and the proportional current will common flow through it. So it's clear that the resistor decided the current flow in the voltage source circuits to perform as the simple, that means the voltage to current converter. The circuit diagram of the resistor performs the voltage to current converter represented below. In this diagram, the electrical quantities such as the voltage and current represent through the loop respectively. But practically the output current in this converter depends directly on the voltage drop across the connected load addition input voltage. That means since the VR is equal to V in minus VL. This is reason why is the circuit said to be impact one or bad passive version. And the operational amplifier implement to simply convert the voltage signal is corresponding the current signal. The operational amplifier for this purpose IC LM741. This is operational amplifier designed the hold a precise amount of the current by applying voltage which is essential the sustain of the current through the out of the circuit. They are the two type explained: floating load voltage to the current converter, and the second one is the ground load voltage to current converter. In the floating load voltage converter, as mentioned, the load resistor is floating is converter circuit, that is the resistor RL is linked to the ground. The voltage V in is which is the input voltage given to the non-inverting input terminal, and the ground level circuit, this is the V to I converter, is also known as the Holland current converter. Here is the one end of the low is the always grounded. For the circuit analysis, we have first to determine the voltage V in and then the relationship connection between the input voltage current. Then second one is the current to voltage converter. A current to voltage converter will produce a voltage proportional to given current. This circuit is required if your measuring instrument is capable only measuring voltage and you need to the measure current output. If your instrument data equation module has a input impedance that the several orders larger than the converting resistor, a simple resistor, it can be used to the data conversion. However, the input impedance is the instrument is low compared as the converting resistor than used for the operational amplifier. If we are applying the KCL law, the node of the inverting input, then the current to the inverting input I, then the V out minus V divided by RF is equal to IP plus I minus. It is the negative feedback configuration. It is the application for the using the photodiode sensor to measure the light intensity. The output of the photodiode sensor is the current which is proportional to the light intensity. Another advantage of the operational amplifier circuit is that the voltage across to the photodiode is kept constant at the 0 volt.